talk about database languages, part of database management systems course. A database is a collection of data that is organized and stored in a structured format, typically in a computer system. Database languages are used to create, modify, and query databases. There are several different types of database languages, including structured query language. This is a standard language used to manage and manipulate data stored in relational databases. It is used to create, modify, and query tables and rows in a database. Data definition language. This is a type of SQL that is used to create and modify the structure of a database. It is used to create tables, alter table structures, and delete tables. Data manipulation language. This is a type of SQL that is used to manipulate the data stored in a database. It is used to insert, update, and delete data in a database. Data control language. This is a type of SQL that is used to control access to the data in a database. It is used to grant and revoke permissions to users and roles. Transact-SQL. This is a proprietary extension of SQL developed by Microsoft for use with its SQL server's database management system. It includes additional commands and functions that are not part of standard SQL language. There are also other database languages such as NoSQL and object-oriented database languages, which are used to manage and manipulate data in non-relational and object-oriented databases respectively. Thank you for watching.